everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You guys are all looking great today. Today we have an awesome video for you guys because there's not only going to be one Skyline, not two Skylines, what, not even three Skylines? Yeah, 4 Skylines. It's gonna be crazy. Anyway guys, we are already running a little bit late. We are going to meet up with a couple of them right now. I think it's gonna be an awesome day. First, let's move the Subaru out of the way. I apologize to my neighbors for this. It is quite early in the morning to be starting this car up. Sorry. Alright, well, hopefully that wasn't too bad, but we are running late, so let's go. What's up guys? We are here at the first leg of the race here, you could say. There she is, the beautiful S1 built R32 GTR. Just the number 1. There should be a couple more coming. I only wish mine was this clean. Only wish. However, we do got a lineup going. Good old Skyline.
I don't know if you've ever rode a roller coaster. It's still dirty though. Like propels you like yeah. I was gonna go the same place you were gonna say, but
that big ass thing?
I'm not gonna build for probably a year or two, so a little bit smaller.
Oh yeah, he went a little bit smaller.
It's good for about,
shall we compare? Because let's please not.
It's about it could make around 650 with. I just need injectors to push it.
Yeah, it looks good.
I'm waiting on saving up for a fuel system, and right now I'm on low boost, 10 pounds. It makes about 320-ish.
Damn. That's still, I mean, that's not bad for like a low boost.
Then I can crank it up to probably like 21 and sing.
Now you know I was not snaking you guys. We have an R34 and an R33. Let's check them out. Pretty awesome R33. We're going to be doing a much more with these later, but just to give you guys a brief thing of what's going on here for the first meetup, we got quite the lineup going, if I do say so myself. This is just the first meetup point. We are going to be leaving here in a few minutes to go to the actual show, so that's going to do it for now. We'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. So we got a little rolling going on behind us over here. All right, we are here. Love this Supra. Good, I think. Or look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at that guy. It's like Japan right now. It's straight up Japan. Yo, buddy, that's where the R33 goes, man. Just busting your balls. Complaints already. This is an extensive roll-in to get these in this order. Tell me this isn't awesome, guys. Just tell me this is not putting just a smile on your face right now, huh? Because put a smile on my face. Before it officially starts and the music gets super loud, I'm just going to do a quick walk around of the Skylines that we have here right now. First off, we have the R32 GTR. This is K3 Films. You can follow him on Instagram, YouTube, whatever. I will post that right here. As you can see, we got a nice single turbo setup. Very clean engine bay. Super jealous of this car in general. Then we have my good old R32. You guys all know about this thing. Over to the R33. So this has an RB25. Single bigger turbo there. Up around to the back. Let's do a little tail light comparison. So as you can see, those are the R32 tails, R32 sedan tails. If you saw my last video, you know I was comparing these two, so this is a good comparison there. With the R33, these got a little bit bigger, as you can see, compared to the R32. They're a little bit bigger. The back end, obviously, front end's different. It's a whole new car. A lot of people give these flack for being the heavier model of the GTRs. But overall, still an awesome build. And then last but not least, we have an R34. The R34 is not a GTR, but it is a GTT, I believe, because they discontinued GTSTs for the R34. So let's take a quick walk around that one. Personally, I love the R34s almost as much as an R32. So on the R33, you actually have this adjustable spoiler here, which you can adjust from the side. Now remember, this is a GTST as well. So, big difference here. The inclusion of these, airbags and stuff, that's why this car actually weighs a decent amount more than an R32. So a lot of people do frown upon that. You can see the interior of the R34. Interior of the R33. How you doing, man? Long time no see.
Long time no see. Were you
I was here. Last time actually I saw you, I think I was here.
Yeah, you were.
I was right here.
Yeah, it was a charity.
Yes, I was. I've been busy,
So do you want?
The car's from America, you're gonna win. We all lose.
A couple weeks. You better edit that out, damn it.
We're not editing it out. You're wrong.
Fuck.
Don't forget to follow the Tampa's Finest crew on YouTube. He doesn't make this many mistakes usually.
Yeah. You better edit that out. No, make sure you get Lee's Corolla. The Corolla is amazing. Yeah. He's polishing it right now.
30-second Corolla.
It's a unique Corolla. We give it that. It's a very unique Corolla. It probably runs like 9s? 10s? It's most likely slower than my Skyline. I really need to straighten out my fins here. We also have with us a Supra. Small turbo on pretty small meat on the back. Pretty slow, but it's okay. We like him anyway.
Really slow.
350Z and the G35, as well as this very unique build over here.
Either way, but please don't do it on your own. Don't unplug the speakers either, because it'll cause damage to our.
So as of today, that's the crew. I will keep walking around. We're going to see what else we see, but I just wanted to do a quick comparison of these GTRs and GTSTs for you guys. I think it's super cool that we have all of them in one spot. I just want to point out here how many BRZ and FRSs there are that just rolled in. It is an insane amount. They go over that way, and the line just keeps on coming. These guys have real dedication here. More so than me. It's dedication right there. We got Paul Walker's build right here. Even got the NOS set up. It's pretty dope if you're a fan of the movies. Oh God, get out of the way.
She's 3 million right here.
I'm filming the filmer getting the coverage of the event. Oh yeah, we're gonna zoom in. Oh yeah, push it. This is total low life problems.
No, that's called not proper wheel problems.
Oh, whoa, jeez. You almost took out the Paul Walker vehicle over there. Now tell us about your Japanese shit.
There's something Chinese on the table. A minute ago there was a Korean item. That's gone. Yeah.
Get some Japanese, you know, Kit Kat, some Cheetos. This is nuts. So I think you guys know what time it is. Can you guess what time it is? You guys know what time. It's time for a food vlog. We are here at Quaker Steak and Lube anyway, so yeah, let's sit down and get a table and see what kind of good food we can get. I think going with the pork tacos seems like a win-win.
What's up, guys? Just something to drink?
Yep, that's me. Thank you. I get the food vlog.
Right here, buddy. It's in a race car.
This stuff's looking great. This stuff is looking great. So many tacos at this table. So many tacos.
Doesn't quite fit like that.
It's a big puppy.
Is that Meetup bus there,
There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is the behind the scenes footage of the event. There he is. Getting her done. Getting her done. So guys, in the comment section below, which Skyline do you prefer? The R32, R33, or R34? Personally, I gotta stick with the R32, right? Because, you know, I have to.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Yeah, I'll follow you on YouTube.
Oh, heck, yeah, well,
What's up?
I made it the next video.
Cool.
There you go. Shit just got real because we were adding to the Skyline lineup. We have an R34 GTR for you guys now as well. I was wrong. This is actually an R32 with an R34 conversion on it, so it fooled me, but either way, it's still a clean build. Nice bright seats in here. See, what gave it away was the R32 taillights. Gave it away. However, I still like it. This is one clean engine bay, if I do say so myself. I think I could eat my lunch right out of here, indeed. Also, you don't see too many of these R32s in red. What other channel can you see this many Skylines? I don't know, but bringing y'all the action. Well guys, at this point it is raining, so I'm not sure how much longer we're gonna stick around, but one more Skyline, right? Why not? Another R32. Apparently this was the show. See the R32s. This one's got a pretty wicked diffuser here on the bottom. Parked right next to this red one. Pretty awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed all of the different Skylines, and hopefully we'll get something together soon with all of these cars, do a proper review on each of them. So this was just a little taste. But yep, it's starting to rain here, so I think it's time to end this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Help me hit my 1,000 subscriber goal. Yep, but that's gonna do it for now. Thank you guys for watching, and we will catch you next video.